A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 5th chapter of social science, that is our food. Dear student, we will study this chapter from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter 5. Dear student, in the beginning of chapter, you should understand what are the learning objectives of this chapter. So, dear student, very first you will learn about cooked and raw food. And secondly, you will learn about milk products. Thirdly, you will learn about special dishes of some states. And lastly, you will learn about importance of vitamins in food. So, dear student, these are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, and this is our book which will help you to understand the chapter more clearly. So, let's begin with the chapter 5th, our food. Dear student, there is a lot of food in India. The soil and climate are different in different parts. People eat different types of food because different types of food grains, vegetables and fruits are grown in different parts. अगर अलग-अलग जगह पर अलग-अलग तरीके की सब्जियां, फ्रूट्स क्या करते हैं, उगाई जाती हैं. तो in some state people eat more wheat, in some maize, while in other millets are eaten. In some state people eat mostly rice. People living in hilly area eat apple because it is easily available there. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of food grains. This is wheat, this is maize, this is rice, this is jowar, and this is bajra. Dear student, generally people eat the food grain, vegetable and fruit which are grow in their area. जो क्या होती है, आपके अपने एरिया में होती है, मोस्टली आप उसी को खाते हैं. But now we have very good means of transport. अब क्या है, हमारे पास बहुत अच्छा ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम है. It is easy to carry things grown in one place to another place. तो क्या है, बहुत आसानी से आप एक चीज को दूसरी जगह ले जा सकते हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, कोकोनट कहाँ होता है, नारियल कहाँ होता है, कोस्टल एरियाज में होता है, लेकिन हम उसे ऑल ओवर द कंट्री लेते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. हम कोस्टल एरिया से उसे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की हेल्प से हर जगह अवेलेबल हो जाता है. सो वी डू नॉट ईट द सम वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. डिफरेंट ones grow in different season. तो क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसे fruits होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे vegetables होती हैं जिन्हें हम पूरे साल नहीं खाते हैं, जो किसी season में आपको मिलता है. So this is all about the beginning of the chapter. Dear student, let's begin with the first learning objective, and I am highlighting it, that is cooked and raw food. Dear student, food can be eaten as a raw and after the cooking. Dear student, this table shows mode of eating of some types of food. कि आप उन foods को जो इस table में दिए गए हैं कैसे खाते हैं. Fruits and vegetables should be washed well before they are eaten to remove germs and chemicals. तो बच्चों, आपको फ्रूट, फल और सब्जियां कैसे खानी चाहिए, आपको उन्हें खाने से पहले बहुत अच्छे से वॉश करना चाहिए, जिससे उसमें लगा केमिकल और जर्म्स हट जाए. सो दिस इज द टेबल ऑफ eating of some types of food. Let's discuss it. Eaten raw. कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसे हम बिना पकाए खा सकते हैं, बिना पकाए खाते हैं? The first one is cucumber, खीरा. कैसे खाते हैं आप उसको? एज ए सैलेड खाते हैं, उसे पकाते नहीं है, सिंपल खा लेते हैं. मैंगो, मैंगो को भी आप नहीं पकाते हैं और ऐसे ही बिना पका हुआ एज ए रॉ खा लेते हैं. पपाया, एप्पल, ऑरेंज, शुगर केन, लेमन, मस्कमेलन एंड ग्रेप्स. तो ये सारे कैसे फ्रूट हैं जिन्हें आप बिना पकाए एज ए रॉ खा लेते हैं. The second one is eaten after cooking, जिसे आप पकाने के बाद खाते हैं. So these are rice, maize, wheat, ladyfinger, spinach, potato, beans, grams, pulses and gourd. तो ये आप कैसे खाते हैं? पकाने के बाद खाते हैं. The third one is eaten raw as well as after cooking, जिसे आप कच्चा भी खाते हैं, रॉ भी खाते हैं और जिसे आप पका कर भी खाते हैं. So these are peas, green chili, radish, carrot, cabbage, banana and tomato. So ये कैसी चीजें हैं जिसे आप, as I am highlighting it, कच्चा भी खाते हैं और पकाकर भी खाते हैं. और ये कैसी चीजें हैं जिन्हें आप सिर्फ पकाने के बाद खाते हैं. और the first one is eaten raw, जिसे आप कच्चा खा लेते हैं. So this is all about the first learning objective, cooked and raw food. So now I am removing it, क्योंकि आपने ये टॉपिक हमारा समझ लिया है अच्छे से. The second one is, which is second learning objective of this chapter. This is milk products, जो दूध से बने हुए प्रोडक्ट हैं. So dear student, different cattle are bred in different area. People drink milk of cows, buffaloes and goat. Many things like curd, cheese, cream, butter and ghee are made from milk. So dear student, this is very important and I am marking it. What are the milk products? So these are curd, cheese, cream, butter and ghee are made from, किससे बनते हैं? मिल्क से बनते हैं. Dear student, milk is a complete food because it contains all the essential nutrition required for our body. So dear student, why milk is complete food? This is again very important question. Milk एक complete food क्यों है? Because milk contains all the essential nutritions required for our body. हमारी बॉडी को जितने न्यूट्रिशंस की जरूरत है वो सारी चीजें क्या होती हैं? आई एम सो सॉरी. तो जो भी न्यूट्रिशंस की जरूरत होती है वो किस में होती है? मिल्क में होती है, दूध में होती है. इसीलिए वो क्या है? एक कंप्लीट फूड है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल पार्ट ऑफ milk products. The first one is pure milk, second one is butter, third one is curd, fourth one is cheese, fifth one is cream and last one is ghee. The third learning objective of this chapter is special dishes of some state. Dear student, Many types of dishes are made from various type of things such as fine flour, rice, milk, sugar, pulses, spices and sour fruit. Make the food tasty and spicy. Dear student, spices have made Indian food popular all over the world. Dear student, in northern area, kheer is a special dish made from rice, milk and sugar. So, dear student, as I am highlighting it, what is the special dish of northern India? So, the answer is kheer is the special dish of northern India. So, which one is the another dish of northern India? That is halwa or shira, which is made of flour, ghee and sugar. Let's move ahead. Sheerkhanda is a special dish of Gujarat. Dear student, this is again very important question. Which is the special dish of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh? The answer is Sheerkhand is a special dish of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, which is made from curd and sugar. So again, this is very important and I am highlighting it. Sheerkhand is a special dish of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh made from curd and sugar. Bengali sweets are made from cheese. Dear student, this is again very important question. What are the special dishes of South India? South India में कौन सी special dishes famous हैं? So the answer is idli, dosa and vada are the special dish of South India. Dear student, nowadays all these dishes are taste all over the India. So let's understand the next learning objective, which is importance of vitamins in food. हमें फूड में कैसे कैसे विटामिन्स मिलते हैं और उनके सोर्स क्या होते हैं. Dear student, we should take care that our food is rich in vitamins because vitamin makes us healthy and strong. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, these fruits and vegetables are source of vitamin A. So, what you get from the vitamin A? You get good eyesight and healthy skin. The second one is the source of vitamin B. From the vitamin B, you get energy, growth and healthy skin. Let's move ahead. The third one is vitamin C. What are the sources of vitamin C? Pomegranate, tomato, lemon and banana are the source of vitamin C. For gums, strong gums, for fast healing and protection from cold. So, vitamin C is useful for strong gums, fast healing and protection from the cold. The fourth one is vitamin D. So, these are the source of vitamin D, which is sun, milk, cheese and butter. How vitamin D help you? Vitamin D help you for strong bones and strong teeth. So, we should take fresh and germ-free food. We should wash our hand to रिमूव जर्म्स बिफोर ईटिंग। कैसे हमें यूज करना चाहिए फूड को? हाथ धोकर खाना चाहिए, जिससे उसके हमारे हाथ के जो जर्म्स है वो हमारे पेट तक ना जाए। एंड हमेशा हमें कैसा खाना खाना चाहिए बच्चों? हमेशा हमें फ्रेश खाना चाहिए। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर 5th. Dear student, we will study our next chapter in our next class. Thank you.